Filmfare is a film magazine that has evolved as an entertainment medium, itself covering the entire gamut of showbiz. Every 15 days, this colorful and informative guide features Indian movies, music, serials, soaps, Hollywood films, and lots more. Filmfare also sponsors the annual Filmfare Awards for Excellence in Indian Cinema. Some letters of the masthead are hidden behind the main image, and its color is also kept in relation to the whole image, which gives the cover page a very calm and soothing effect. It is like the signature style of Filmfare magazine to shoot the cover story in black and white. If not all, at least one image is there in this monochromatic scheme. Most of the cover page shoots are done against a plain grey background to bring the main subject to focus. It features a lot of beauty advertisements for the women to realize that they are beautiful and need to take care of it. It also writes about the new upcoming actors and actresses that are joining the industry and sneak peek with the latest upcoming movies. Filmfare is just not a magazine, it is a trend which has the news about latest Bollywood trends and divas, who's wearing what, and many celeb interviews to inspire their readers. The color of the masthead and other subheads remains the same, which lends the magazine a more appealing look. The layouting of the contents page is generally in this way, where the first page has two topics with the main image on the side covering 3/4 of the page, and the second page has the images of many other stories on the top covering half of the page. This magazine is liked by all generations and both the sex who are interested in the gossip and lifestyle of their beloved Bollywood stars and knowing about the upcoming movies and reviews. It is not a very high-end magazine as its price 60 rupees an issue, which is quite affordable for the middle class readers who love to read about the celeb lives and their opinions. The USP of the magazine is its attractive cover, which plays a major role in sales and also the brand loyalty. Its look is kept contemporary with sexy covers, fresh colors, glamour and lifestyle of stars. Its tone is irreverent, witty and has an opinion. More credible and trusted than any other magazines of this genre as it steers clear from scoops and gossips.